Hey there, my party people! Today I'm going to show you guys how to watch YouTube in your car. You sound like crazy, but it is working, guys. You can watch anything in your car with this method, which I'm going to show you guys how to do. So let's get right into the video, guys. This is using this thing called CarBridge, which is super crazy. So as you can see, guys, this is CarBridge. It's like an app. It lets you watch anything in your car, any app or game, no matter if it's supported. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's go. So what we need to do is go over to the Zoo Mods. This site has like all the apps and stuff. So anyways, guys, once we're on the site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in like CarTube, I think. And as you can see, it says CarTube mod, right? So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try this out, guys, because it is super insane. It actually works. And if you go to the App Store and type in like CarTube or CarBridge or something, as you can see, guys, nothing comes up. Look at this. This is a remote app, web link host. Yeah, these are not what we're looking for. So yeah, you gotta try Zoo Mods, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane. Actually works pretty well. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's super cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to get the word out. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. It's super insane, bro, but it actually works. So yeah, we'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed it. It's super cool, guys. It actually works pretty well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my content. I'm coming at you with hard videos, hard tutorials, good stuff. So yeah, Zoo Mods is the site, guys, to go to if you want to do this. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, though. This is how you do it. You just go to the search bar and type in CarTube, and there you go. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Get the word out. Super cool, guys. Fully working. Insane stuff. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to get the word out about this method. It's super cool, guys. It's updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, super cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.